There is a long-standing commentary in social media saying that cinema tickets in the Philippines has skyrocketed to a price that we can call watching movies in theaters a luxury. In this video, we are visiting Wolfgang's Premiere Cinema, one of the Philippines' top movie venues, to understand where these opinions are coming from. So we're here at Gateway Mall 2 in Cubao, Quezon City, where Wolfgang's Premiere is located, specifically at the 4th floor Gateway Cineplex 18. This venue has two theaters. Cinema 1 has 56 premium seats, while their Cinema 2 is the larger one with 64 premium seats. The venue offers a dine-in movie experience providing gourmet meals alongside films. Kaya nga napapansin nyo, meron silang magandang menu which also offers some meals that are already included in the tickets. But you can order some additional drinks or food. As we enter their lobby or waiting area, we are greeted by this posh, fine dining feel of their seating arrangements. Very similar sa kanilang fine dining restaurant dun sa lower ground floor. Here's another photo of their menu which you can pause for more information. And here's how our food was served inside the cinema. Here's my order, the burger sliders. And yung kasama namin, ang in-order naman ay yung roast beef sliders. Meron ding New York pastrami sliders. These sliders are the ones that are included in the ticket price. But of course, you can also order other foods such as salad, steak and entrees, snacks, dessert. Meron din silang beer, cocktails, coffee, and non-alcoholic drinks, along with wines. And this food also comes with free bottled water. Sa mga matagal nang nanonood ng aming cinema reviews, you know that we love recliner seats. Siyempre, meron yan ang Wolfgang Premiere. And you'll notice they're using this zero gravity lazy boy seats, which feels like you're floating kapag dinerecho nyo na yung inyong legs at nag-recline na kayo. Kaya parang rocking chair siya dito sa video. And napakaluwag niya. Even the leg room, you can even put some luggage bags in front of it and hindi siya tatamaan ng paa nyo. And hindi rin kayo may iilang sa mga nasa likod kasi elevated siya. Yung kanilang seating plan is elevated per row. Okay, tikman natin yung burger. Very rich ang flavor, malambot ang meat. I like how it was cooked. Ang pansin ko lang yung kanilang burger buns, yung bread is parang dry, no? Up to the point na parang nagka-crumble na siya. Anyway, if you don't like how it has been prepared, you can always call their waiters on standby, yung kanilang butlers, by just pressing that call button on the center tables while you're inside the theater. So you can request to maybe reheat or to change the preparation of your food. So kasama din yan sa kanilang service. This is inside Cinema 2, the larger theater of Wolfgang's Premiere. And as you can see, it's all black, leather black seats, and clear frosted center tables. Meron siyang lights along the aisle if the cinema or the film is ongoing. At ang ganda rin ng kanilang acoustics. Bagong-bago ang sinehan na ito. I think it opened like a year ago, just a year ago, and we went here November 2025. So ang pinanood namin dito is yung Wicked for Good. Yan. Hindi rin nakakahilo yung kanilang screen size. Hindi siya curve, although hindi naman siya sobrang laki na malulula ka kapag ikaw yung nasa pinakababa, yung pinaka front row. So it's very balanced and very relaxing in the eyes. And say hello to our friendly butlers checking the seats sa mga naiwang gamit kung meron man ng ating mga moviegoers. And you also noticed that the speaker has Dolby Surround logo. Ganyan kaganda ang audio ng mga films na ipapalabas dito. If you're asking me naman if it's HD, 2D, 3D, it all depends on the actual film na papanoorin nyo. So you better visit the website first to see what's playing. And major observation din namin for the past like 5 years, since after pandemic, no, nag-resume ang pagpapalabas ng mga movies sa mga sinehan. This is already an intimate event or activity. Hindi na siya katulad dati na pangmasa, pangmaramihan yung upuan, siksikan sa loob. Hindi na siya ganun. At daanan muna natin yung kanilang toilet. If you notice, this is a very small toilet or restroom para sa ganitong klaseng venue, no? Ito lang yung medyo cons siguro sa ating review. So meron lang siyang isang urinal for males. Andyan na rin yung water closet, and nasa harap yung lavatory. Very confined, no? Para sa isang 2-theater venue. Pero ang di nakuhanan ng ating camera is mabango yung CR, no? Wala siyang hindi kaaya-ayang amoy. In fact, parang amoy hotel. And kompleto rin yung kanilang amenities. Gumagana yung hand dryer, may soap, and all. So, tumambay muna kami dito sa labas after the cinema or after watching the movie. So, here, you can always take a sip of their wine, pass the time, hintayin nyo ba yung mga kasamang nagre-retouch, pag-usapan ng sine ang pinalabas after, or just sit here early para hindi kayo stressed sa paghahabol na mag-umpisa yung palabas. At kung umabot kayo sa point na ito ng ating video, price reveal, tickets on average are priced at 990 pesos per person. So that includes the meal and bottled water na pwede nyo i-take out. So yun, pinabalot namin yung sa amin kasi hindi namin makain sa dilim eh. And magko-close na yung mall paglabas namin. Applicable din ang mga discounts like senior citizen and PWDs. Just present your IDs doon sa harapan while availing the tickets. So malaking tipid yan para sa ating mga senior citizens. Overall, is Philippine cinema a luxury already? Well, sa nakita namin and sa aming mga experience over the past few years, it is indeed a luxurious bisyo or hobby to watch movies in theaters. Kasi nga, kahit yung mga home theater systems natin, nag-improve naman na siya, no? Achievable naman na siya, may hulugan na, no? Makakabili ka na ng flat screen TV at patayin mo lang yung ilaw, lagyan mo lang ng backlight yung living room mo at bumili ka ng magandang sofa. Matatapatan mo na yung experience na to, no? So yan naman yung patuloy na nili-level up naman itong mga theater builders sa mga malls, no? So kailangan mag-level up din sila para sabihin mo na iba pa rin pag nanonood tayo sa sinehan. Iba pa rin yung feel, no, na intimate, social, no, komportable, makakapag-focus ka sa sine. Hindi mo iniisip kung may kakatok sa bahay or nasusunog na yung sinaing sa kusina. And hopefully, sa ating mga susunod na episode, sa pagsuporta nyo, mabibisita din natin yung isa pa dito na magandang sinehan. Katulad ng Wolfgang's, itong Platinum Cinema ng World Kitchens. And hopefully din, mailagay natin sa bucket list ang panonood ng sine, maging motivation na magsumikap pa. At hanggang sa muli mga kakampo, God bless!